The diagram below, which is not drawn to scale, represent the position of three mobile masts. Here, this is the mobile mast, and such three mobile masts are located at P, and the one is at Q, and the third one is at R. Mast Q is on a bearing of 100 from P. So the bearing of Q from P is 100. This is 100-degree angle, and 40 kilometer away. The bearing of R from Q. The bearing of R from Q is 150, which is this angle given in the question. And the distance between P and R is 66 kilometer. And using this information, we can find, because this north line and this north line are parallel line, and this angle is the angle, this one and 100 is the sum of these two angles is 180. So if it is 100, it is 180 minus 100. This is 80-degree angle. This 80-degree angle and 100-degree angle, they are called interior angle of two parallel lines. As you know, these two north are parallel line, and the line PQ is the cutting line. So 100 angle and 80 angle are interior angle, and their sum is 180. So if one angle is 100, the second angle will be 180 minus 100, 80 degree. Now we can easily find this angle, because the total angle of this total angle is 360. So if we subtract the sum of 80 and 150 from 360, we can easily find this angle. So let's see. Therefore, it is 130. This angle is 130 degree. Hence, the part A is done, which is use the information in the diagram. So we have used the information which is given in the question to find the angle PQR. This angle is 130 degree. Now we hence find the bearing of mast P from R. The bearing of P, this P here from R. So this is the bearing of P from R, this angle. So let's see how to find this angle. In this question, these informations are already given here. The length is 40 here, and this length is 66. So we will utilize these information as well. So it is better to find this angle first. To find this angle, we use sine rule here. So angle R, sine R over the opposite side is 40 is equal to, and this sine 130 over 66. Okay, and the sine R will be this one, and then angle R will be sine inverse. It will be sine inverse the value which we get from here. So let's check the angle. The angle is 27.66. The angle R is 27.66 degree. So this angle is 27.66. Okay, so student, to find the, we have to see this step. Find the bearing of P from R. So it is better to extend this north line downward. There are different ways to solve this part. Okay, students. Achha. And look at this angle is 150. It is from this north to this red line. 150 is from here to here, it is 150. So this angle will also be 150 from red line to this north line. Okay, and then this angle will be 150 minus 27.66. So how much is this? Is 122.34. This angle is 122.34. This much angle is 122.34. Okay, now let's find the bearing of this P from R. So this will be this much angle, 180 plus this, which is 122.34. So this is 180 plus 122.34. Just add 180 into it. It is 302.34. So 302.34. Okay. An angle should be round up to one decimal place according to the instruction of the Cambridge. So the final answer is 302.3 degree. This is the bearing of P from R.